Hey there, underwater explorers. Welcome to our ocean adventure with Captain Coral and his buddies. Today, we're diving down to meet some awesome sea animals. First, let's say hello to the dolphins. They're like the ocean's acrobats, always jumping and playing in the waves. Look at the manta ray. It's like a big, gentle kite flying through the ocean. Here come the sea turtles. They're like wise old travelers who've been exploring the sea for a long, long time. Check out the tropical fish. They're like living rainbows with bright colors and cool patterns. Watch out for the jellyfish. They're pretty, but can sting, so we give them lots of space. Look at the seals having a blast. They're like the clowns of the sea, always playing and goofing around. Isn't the seahorse cute? It's like a tiny horse that lives in the water and holds on to things with its tail. Wow, here comes the whale! It's like a giant swimming bus, jumping out of the water and splashing down. Hey look, it's Captain Coral's family, the clownfish. They're brave little fish that live in colorful homes called anemones. Say hi to the eagle ray. It's like a big, flat pancake swimming gracefully through the ocean. Check out the octopus. It's like a super smart chameleon, changing colors to blend in with its surroundings. Whoa, it's the hammerhead shark. With its hammer-shaped head, it looks like a super cool underwater superhero. Look at the manatees, also called sea cows. They're like big, gentle giants munching on underwater salad. And last but not least, the otters. They're like furry little friends who love cracking open snacks on their tummies.